Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I run the portrait studio, and this is my subject today. I have different image made. This one made by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And I want to make this watercolor image from this base image. Well, let's get started. I'm going to move this layer in between these two, and I'm going to change the blend mode of this. Blend mode, now turn it up, normal to darken, and I'm going to turn this one down about 30-40% or so we can see through both line drawing type image and also that base photograph image. Okay, I'm gonna put it on paint on this layer. Now I'm gonna pick the watercolor brush and watercolor wash flat first, then let's paint it on nice healthy skin tone first, about this. And okay, we have a highest light on this cheek, right cheek, so I'm gonna paint it on skin tone here, then make bigger to about here, and then a little bit small to paint little ear. Turn this one off, just touch it, we can see some. I'm gonna blend with the water later. So this is okay now. I put some shadow area more. Once dried, oops, where did I paint? On this. Okay, dry once, then add some shadow area. Oops, that's too small. Okay, and boy's hand. Oops, I'm gonna put it on here. Turn this one down. We can see. Okay, go the shadow side. Okay, now I'm going to add some water to blend. No color, less color. Okay, now I'm going to paint it on. Turn this one down, maybe 50% or so. Then white gray on this. Okay, we're gonna turn this down just a touch. Then put some same brush with the light gray. I'm going to change the watercolor around detail to put some gray. Now I'm going with the real dark jacket, but I see the highlight. I turn this one down. Too much maybe, but now I go a little more dark. Oh, no wonder. I'm gonna march down this. I'm going to draw on this layer. I'm going to convert to pixel layer and use pencil sketching to pencil. Okay, some these lines here. Okay, now watercolor again. Let's make some texture on this and with this. Maybe small size. Yeah. Okay, margin down. Dry. It's dried already. Okay, now turn this one down and go with the hair. I'm gonna add here. Okay, I'm gonna add layer on this, plus add. Then I'm gonna put some, not much detail, but pick some colors for a tiny bit, just to touch something. Okay, I'm gonna merge down. Okay, now I go background. Now I'm gonna add some layer and now okay, this is background. Now I'm gonna reveal this main image, create empty mask, invert mask, painting, with brush 1, reveal this mask now. That's too strong. Okay, from here, real softly. Now hide some. Well, I'm gonna hide this. Create empty mask on this. Then hide the lines. Oops. Yeah, this kind of edge. I'm hiding here. Then now on this, yeah, same height. Now just great. I'm gonna paint it on here. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna hide it here. So make it bigger, maybe a less tone. I'm gonna touch up some of this watercolor layer around here. Make it a little more soft with water. Okay, that makes it a little bit colorful. Well, I think that's it for today. Yeah, I guess. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate you support me. I hope this is gonna give you some kind of idea of your creative work. Okay, see you next time. Have a nice day, guys. Bye now. Ciao.